Milo likes hanging out with Chewy. Or not. As I say that, they split in opposite ways. It's not always the case. I think Isla and Maggie are playing keep away with that log. Aw. Oh, I know which gang that belongs to. Now they frequent this park quite a bit. There's like a bunch of those little Australian shepherds. There's like 3 or 4 of them. And then there's a German shepherd. Good girl. Whoa! Almost ran into a post. Walking backwards. Good boy. Good boy, Chewy. Good girl, Luna. Good boy, Jasper. Good boy, Milo. Chewy's behind the bench. Yeah, see, there's dogs ahead, and he just runs into the bushes. He's totally into finding things as opposed to visiting other dogs. Hey, Kate? Yeah. Good girl, Isla. Good boy, Chewy. Hello.